Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we will show you how to disable Windows Protected Your PC pop-up, so you can stop that smart screen warning from appearing again. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, and then type regedit and press Enter to open the Registry editor. Step 2. Once the Registry editor opens, go to the address bar at the top, paste the required registry path there, and press Enter. Step 3. After reaching the correct location, look for EnableSmartScreen and double-click on it. This value controls whether Windows SmartScreen is active or disabled on your system. Step 4. If EnableSmartScreen is not available, right-click on an empty area, click New, select toward 32-bit value, and name it EnableSmartScreen. This step is important because Windows needs this value to apply the Smart Screen setting properly. Step 5. Now double-click EnableSmartScreen, set the value data to 0, and click OK. Setting the value to 0 tells Windows to turn off the Protected Your PC pop-up feature. Step 6. Close the Registry editor and restart the computer. Restarting is necessary so Windows can apply the new registry changes correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.